Alright, here's a nice, highly modified in the way it looks, 2011 Camaro SS. It's got the 6.2 liter engine. This one's got automatic tranny. It's adult owned, so they fixed it up pretty nice. And it's got all the factory options that you would get with a modern car like this. And but it's got the optional RS package on it. 20-inch custom American racing wheels, and the guy put on a factory ZL1 Carbon hood, factory seats. They're ZL1, the Recaro heated seats, and it's got a tuned muffler system. They upgraded the spring and the shock setup, so it rides really nice and looks really good. Got a ground effects kit on there. You can see the vents on there. Those were custom also. Digital AC control panel, which you'll see in a sec. Nice stereo, big Pioneer. And it's got Lambo doors on it. And front and rear parking sensors. Comes with books, records, all this stuff. And it's got 36K on it. Really nice car. Let me swing around the interior here. Yeah, here's the door opens normal, as you can see here. Both sides do this. And then you can grab it and you swing it up. And you got the Lambo door there. Just a little customization there. That's pretty cool. Obviously it's got power top, which I have down right now. And they put nice stereo in it. And down there is a custom digital for your air conditioning, so that's pretty nice. Stereo's got Bluetooth and all the modern features. And you got your normal dash stuff here. 36K on this car. Air conditioning. Let me show you. It's got cocoa mats. I mean, it's really nice. Got a Boston acoustic stereo. There's your back seat area. Not a lot of room, but enough. And then let me lower the door here. And you got your ZL1 heated seats. These are factory. Looks nice from the tops down. Doesn't have any of the mechanisms showing too much. Pretty nice. I like the wheels. And the car has a great stance. Alright, here's a shot here with a top up on the car. Looks pretty sleek still. Obviously in great shape. And it's all power top, so anytime you change your mind, whoop, let's put that sucker down and top down driving. There's a shot of the power plant, 6.2 liter, about 426 horsepower. Can't see much, and how the modern engines are now. They put a lot of cool looking plastic on there, so it looks smooth, but underneath, got some good workings. Plenty of power to get out of your way, to say the least. And this one's made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. That was an option for the SS. I'll go ahead and give it a quick start, let you listen to the exhaust. It's not too loud. Alrighty. Sounds pretty good, especially when you get on it. We got this car available here for you at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. You can talk to Gary or Rich at 818-591-1313. More than happy to show you this car. Really nice car, got a lot of upgrades in it, and low miles, and it's ready to roll.